Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Dodo NBN modem. First, gather all your essential equipment, including the Dodo modem itself, its power adapter, and any supplied connection cables. Before you begin the physical setup, it's crucial to ensure that Dodo has confirmed your NBN service is officially active. Additionally, please disconnect any old modems or non-compatible devices from your wall sockets to prevent any potential interference with your new NBN connection. Next, let's get your modem powered up and properly connected to the NBN network. Begin by plugging the power adapter into your Dodo modem, then connect the other end securely into a wall power outlet. If your NBN technology is fiber to the node or fiber to the basement, use the telephone cable to connect the modem's DSL port directly to your telephone wall socket. For other NBN types, connect an Ethernet cable from your NBN connection device's yellow port to the blue WAN port on your Dodo modem. Once all the necessary cables are securely in place, it's time to switch on your Dodo modem using its power button. The modem will now begin its important auto-configuration process, which can take up to 15 minutes to complete. During this crucial period, please observe the indicator lights on your modem carefully. You are looking for these lights to turn solid blue, which will indicate a successful connection to the NBN network and that your internet service is ready. With your Dodo modem now successfully connected and online, it's time to get your various devices online too. For a stable, wired connection, simply use an Ethernet cable from one of the yellow LAN ports on the back of your modem to your computer or other device. To connect wirelessly, locate the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password printed on the label on the back of your modem. For home phone service, plug your handset into the phone one port on the back of the modem. This may take up to 15 minutes to configure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.